Took about 15 hours. That's a hell of a ride. But I heard
it's test drive time again here at Maple Motors. Got a 1986 Ford GT Mustang. It's a 5-speed car with a 5.0. She's pretty clean, all white, with a gray interior. I guess you do got some black graphics on the hood. Guys, detailed pictures, finance and shipping, maplemotors.com. About that time. Let's go for a ride. Well, sure enough, the buzzer works. A little fading on the dash there. Spin around on the interior. Not too bad. At the end of the video, I'll show you the top going up and down. I'm gonna shut the door because this buzzer is driving me crazy. Okay. 87,000 miles, what it's showing. We'll start it up. Push the clutch all the way to the floor. On this one, it's sensitive. If you don't make sure you're all the way on the floor, it will not start because of the safety feature. Place your bets. Do you think the horn works? We're trying it out. We've got gas. We've got great oil pressure. Tach is working. Battery's charging. We'll give her a little time on the engine temperature. Turn signals. Popping up in the middle, both sides. Blower motor. Yeah, cutting on. AC, we'll give her a second. Radio.
This is your boat.
Radio works. Old school looking radio there. Showing low fuel, but we've got gas, so I don't know. Glove box. That's where your gas door is and your trunk. This is not hot, but it's not cold, so I'm gonna say AC will need some work. Guys, horns, you place your bets? What do you think, Pads? The horn work?
Yes.
All right, guys, we're gonna take off down the road, and anything I see, you'll know about it. Here we go. Clutch feels good. Clicking into those gears, nice. Ooh, yeah, slip a tire. Touchy brakes, goodness. I'm over here trying to mess with my phone. Let's put that up on the dash there before we get out on the streets. Here we go, guys. She's got plenty of pickup right off the bat. She's smooth. A little bit of a right pull there. You see how I'm going down the road and it's kind of drifting just a little? I'm correcting it. Getting back in that throttle. The speedo is working. Plenty of gear for the highway. Tight steering. She scared me. I didn't know what in the world. I was like, you just gonna pull out here? I know people have been driving crazy here lately. A motorcycle got hit a few days ago right here. Kind of kept me off my bike this week after I seen that. This one feels pretty good. Great oil pressure. Engine temperature gauge is not working, I do not believe. It hasn't came up yet. You got a lot of pedal on the brake pedal here. They're stopping just fine, but I mean, you got a lot of pedal. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and light up the undercarriage, get some outside shots, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, let's head on back to the lot now. Been a pretty easy test drive. Everything seems to be good, other than the temp gauge is not working on this one. So that's something that I would look into putting on here or figuring out why if I was to buy it myself. All right, here we go. So definitely chirps the tires. Runs pretty good. Seems to be shifting out nice. Let's get her up into fifth. We haven't done that yet. Of course, that's your highway gear, and it's pulling just fine. So getting into those brakes, like I said, the pedal squishes in, but it stops just fine. I mean, plenty of reaction, plenty of brake there. Coming down this road, there's a nice little bump in the middle of it. Kind of give us an idea on suspension. Right here. A little stiff in the front there, but it's still working as it should. Guys, thank you for sticking around. Picking out the flaws is coming up next. I'll see you in just a moment. Picking out the flaws. Let's go ahead and get started here. Coming around the front. Little scuff there. Kind of all this plastic's faded, but it can be brought back. Get over our fender. You get a dent here. Got a dent here on the side of the car.
Get in this Monte Carlo.
Go down this way. Put over. There's some dirt that'll come off. Midsection. Oh yeah, it's got a cap release inside the car. Dang, bugs flying all over me today. Dent there. That seal's a little far away from the corner, ain't it? A little dirt. Looking at our top. Coming around the back. Little scuff.
How you going today? Good, yourself? Yeah. Boy, I look like headlight covers.
Yeah, I don't want to forget them or break them. So.
Down in your trunk, you got a top cover for when you drop your top. And it's super clean in here, I mean. Down with this. Shuts good. Coming down this side. Then over that fender. Spot here. Scuff. Let me get my shadow out of this. Chip there. Chips on the edge of the door. A little flaky here. Got some cracks going on in that seal. Some dirt that'll come off. Overall, it's not too bad, just a little faded. It's got a little sunburn on it, don't it? The top looks good. Top's nice on this one. Let's go ahead and check out our interior. Double-sided tape or something. No, it's like Velcro. That's not exactly right. Buzzer works, that's for sure. Looking under the door. Rips on the edge of the seat. The radio works. Buzzer definitely works. A little sunburn on the dash. Golly, it's buzzing, ain't it? Top. Dude, that top flies down. I helped this one down because it does need help when you let it down, that's for sure. All right, got the top down. Got it looking good, she's running. She's quiet. Really guys, this is a pretty nice car. Basically unmolested, I haven't messed with it and changed everything up. Pretty factory. If you enjoyed this video, please hit subscribe. That helps me out quite a bit. Across the hood here. Got some spots. Just a bird, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Detailed pictures, financing, and shipping is all available at maplemotors.com. And of course, I'll see you in the next video. Later, guys.